When we created Azura, we didn't think only about better payloads, better efficiency or better savings. We thought about the driver and the confidence that their truck will keep them safe. Because India's logistics routes are demanding, unpredictable and unforgiving. That's why Azura isn't just built to maximize profits, it's designed to protect life inside the cabin. Azura goes beyond the norms to achieve the gold standard of truck cabin safety by meeting ECE R29.03 European safety norms. But we didn't just stop there. We tested Azura to replicate the real-world crash scenario. What happens when two speeding trucks collide head-on? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Truck versus truck. Reality versus reality. Because real safety is only tested and delivered at the moment of impact. With Azura, we set a new standard for truck cabin safety. Tata Azura, Bharosa, Tarakki ka.